Installing and using the Rainbird's simple set hose end timer takes just seconds. Start by installing 2 AA alkaline batteries. Always use fresh batteries and replace them at the start of each season for uninterrupted performance. The LED blinks green 3 times to show the batteries have enough charge. If older batteries are inserted, it blinks red 3 times. Thread the timer inlet directly onto your outdoor water spigot and tighten by hand. Do not use PTFE tape. Next, connect your garden hose, soaker hose, or drip system, making watering simple and flexible. For drip irrigation, use a faucet connection kit with pressure regulator and backflow preventer. Attach 1/4-inch or 1/2-inch tubing to water garden beds, landscapes, or patio plants. Programming is effortless. Simply turn the dial to set a runtime from 1 to 120 minutes, then press the button to start watering. The built-in auto shutoff ensures you never waste water, and pressing the button again while it's running instantly cancels the cycle. From dial to done in seconds, enjoy stress-free watering with Rainbird.